Hey!
Welcome back to the channel. That's Nate. I'm
That's
Mario.
Mario.
Yeah, that's right. And we are the fucking baby.
Yeah, we got a mod for you guys today. We know we're kind of the pod boys. We're doing a lot of mods lately. Sorry for that. Stick around. We got more pods coming, I promise.
But we couldn't keep our hands off of this.
Well,
this is...
you know why we couldn't?
Why is
Because
that?
it was on our doorstep.
Yeah.
From Voopoo. Thank you guys.
Thank
Again,
you, yeah.
Unbiased review on this baby.
But this is the Alpha Zip. What is the Alpha Zip? It's the new kit from Voopoo. It's a brand new mod and a brand new tank, which is
So
sweet.
it's brand new. Right off the bat, it's nice and like hardy.
Yeah.
In your hand, and it's like got the sharp edges and shit. Which goes back to the OG vaping days.
Right, and when you pull it right out of the box, it's really crisp. Like you peel off the little tape and it's sharp. It's awesome. Well, and like what's great is the tank also matches like the toughness of the box, the whole aesthetic of the device.
Oh my goodness, it's just it all vibes together very well.
Let's talk about functionality on this device. Something really cool about this device is how you fill it up. So yeah, it's got this little button on the side that you press, and it just slides right open. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love that. I love seeing the like evolution of filling it up. You know, Smock had the flip, and then these guys actually had a little slide, and now it's this. Perfect.
It's got the gene chip like most Voopoos nowadays.
Yeah, it does.
Gene chip is a great chip.
Optimizes performance and battery life, so you get the most out of your 18650s. Pretty sweet. And you know, this device, I'm glad that it comes in a bunch of different designs. Like we have the stripes is what it's called. There's also a checkerboard pattern you can get. I really like that.
Oh man, I mean, I feel like I'm supporting my country.
And as far as like the buttons are concerned, you know, there's no rattle, which is great, and they're really clicky, which I really enjoy.
Yeah, and I've been liking all these mods that are coming out with the whole side panel opener.
Yeah,
that's
magnetic.
nice. There was a long phase where everybody was doing the bottom thing, where you popped them out the bottom, and it was the most stupid thing ever because those
like dents your batteries.
Yeah, it dents your batteries, and those things always broke.
Or if they weren't connected, you'd lose them.
Yeah.
And then they get loose. Yeah. But this thing is overall a really solid device. And you know, I don't know about you, Nate, I would definitely recommend if you still want a nice mod that's solid, you check this one out.
Yeah, it's very solid. I'm actually maining it nowadays. It's my everyday.
Right.
Babe, congrats to me, I'm off the salt, guys.
Yeah, congrats, Nate. And what's cool like about this thing especially is its size. Like, you know, we love the drag tube, but that whole setup is freaking massive. This is a little bit smaller, a lot more compact, and it feels denser. So, you know, it's a little bit better to get off with the Salt Nick devices.
Yeah.
Something small, and just put it in your pocket.
That's what, if you want a mod, this is a mod.
Yeah, so definitely check this mod out. We got it linked down below in the description for a really good price. And if that price changes, we always update it. That's like what we do. As always, head on over to our website and ask us questions if you have any questions about anything. And you know, like the video, subscribe, guys. We're building our community, and we love you guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.